Hello, my name is Bueno DeMesquita. I'm a PhD candidate here at the University of Colorado Boulder, and I'm studying the effects of climate change on alpine ecosystems in the Rocky Mountains. Specifically, I'm looking at whether earlier snowmelt due to warming will enable plants to move into areas that are currently unvegetated due to too much snow cover. I'm also looking at the role that soil microbes in these unvegetated soils play in plant growth compared to microbes from normal vegetated areas. I grew 3 different alpine plant species in these 2 different soil microbe treatments and then transplanted them into the field into unvegetated soil. Last summer was our first season in the field manipulating the snowpack to melt it out earlier and measuring plant survivorship and growth. I hope you enjoy some of the footage we got this summer. Bueno DeMesquita here, heading up to this snow bed where I have my transplants from last summer. We're going to be spreading black sand on them today to speed up the rate of snowmelt. Alright, we're applying the black sand, trying to get a nice even layer. A 3 by 3 meter plot to cover 1 by 1.5 meters of plants underneath here, so we have a little buffer zone. This is just a thin layer of sand, enough to soak up the solar radiation and create hopefully about 1 week to 10 days early snowmelt at this plot compared to a control right next to it where we won't put the sand. We're just checking the survival status of the transplants over here. As you can see, the plot has just melted out a couple days ago. The snow bed is still pretty close. And so far it looks like a lot of the Dischampsia, the bunch grass, has survived. There are a couple of Silenes I see that have survived. And it looks like pretty much no Oxyria has survived. So we have some interesting insights from this field season, and the results are largely dependent on the plant species. The picas at the site dug up and ate most of our Oxyria individuals, which suggests that herbivory could be an important force regulating plants in these ecosystems. Silene had low survival across the board in our treatments, suggesting that the broader soil characteristics in the unvegetated areas are not amenable to its establishment. The Dischampsia species, on the other hand, had very high survival among all of our treatments, suggesting that it can survive in these areas if it reaches its seedling stage. Perhaps its seeds aren't arriving to these sites, or its seeds are arriving and not germinating. We also saw that the Dischampsia grew better when grown with microbes from vegetated areas. This could suggest that moving into these unvegetated areas, it will encounter microbes that don't facilitate its growth compared to the ones that it's used to in the vegetated areas. Over time, we expect that the microbes from the vegetated areas will also be moving into these unvegetated areas, so plants and microbes could colonize the ecosystem together. It'll be interesting to monitor these plants in future years to capture some of the interannual variation in snowpack and see if they can establish viable populations.